everyone, Figfuck here, and before we get started with today's video, I just want to shout out the lovely patrons as always. So many thanks to Tane, Kyle Ocean VS, Joey, and Kenzie.com. I greatly appreciate all of your support, and I send my sincerest thanks to all of you. And with that out of the way, I hope you take care of yourselves, I hope you take care of others, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Where are my little friends today? Everyone seems to be hiding. Oh well, I'll try not to take it personally. Just a couple more ingredients to go. Now, where are those valerian flowers I've seen the other day? Ah, there we are. Just a couple of stems, because I don't want to take too... Oh, I was wondering where you had got to, my friend. Who are you? How did you get in here? Please, whatever it is you want, I don't have anything to offer you. What? Well, you just wandered in. Ah, so you've gotten lost. That's unusual. It's not often people find themselves here. Well, thinking on it, I suppose you can't be a threat. At least, not intentionally. Well, if you had any malice, the forest would have dealt with you by now. Though you still need to leave. You really shouldn't be here. Well, it's not safe for your kind. Well, you humans, of course. You really have no idea where you are, do you? Look, how about I just show you the path out of here, and you can forget this ever happened. It's a bit of a journey. Are you okay? You don't look too good. Wait, what? You've been wandering about for how long? Oh, that's not good at all. Listen, how about I take you to my cabin and brew you up something that will heal you right up? It's not too far from here, and to be honest, with the way you're swaying back and forth, I don't know if you'd make it out of the forest in your current condition. That's settled then. I was just about to start heading back anyway, so... here, take my cane. We should get back before the sun starts to set if we set off now. Oh, there we go. It's not much, but it's home. I wouldn't deviate off the path. Just follow behind me. I wouldn't want you getting hurt by anything. I've had to set up quite a few protections to keep anything nasty at bay. A few glyphs here, a few wards there. This forest can be quite scary at night. To be honest, I have no idea how you've not come across anything in your time here. You must have been very lucky. Anyways, let's get inside. you just have a rest on that seat over there. I can tell you need to sit down. You've been roaming around for so long. Please take the weight off your feet. I'll get started on that potion for you. Oh. Well, I suppose you must have worked it out by now. I'm a mage. This forest you've somehow stumbled into is packed with magical beings. It's supposed to be hidden away from your kind, but to be honest, I'm a little baffled at how you've managed to evade the protective seals guarding this place. Well, never mind. Still, you're here now, and you need my help. Rest easy. It won't take long to brew the mixture. Now, I think I have the ingredients around here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Tincture of feverfew. Ash of laurel. Perhaps some sparrow's bone. Ooh, I forgot I had some golden seal oil. That'll do nicely. Oh, I've been here quite a while. As long as I can remember, really. This forest has been my home for most of my life. Honestly, I don't know if I could see myself living anywhere else. Let's see. Some crushed dragon's eggshell. A few dried blackthorn berries. Ooh, those valerian sprigs I picked up today would be just the thing. There, that should do the trick. Just need to give it time to brew. Won't take long now, I promise. So, what's your story then? Well, how does someone like you end up stumbling into a magical forest like this? Let me get this straight. You saw a deer at the edge of the forest and decided to follow it in? Are you sure you're not some type of starved werewolf? I can't think of any other reason why you'd be so interested in stalking something like that. It was cute, and you wanted a photo. Okay. I mean, hey, I'm not judging. Deer can be quite charming, so... Still not enough to make me wander inside an unknown enchanted forest, but each to their own. I still don't understand how you made it past the protective barrier at the edge of the forest, though. It's supposed to keep you humans out by convincing your mind to turn the other way. Huh. You must have really wanted a picture with that deer, huh? You know, I'm glad we came across each other when we did. There are so many creatures out there that would have happily chosen you as their next meal. You know, I wasn't making it up when I was talking about werewolves just now. Hey, you can stay here tonight. It's even less safe than traveling in the darkness. I guess we'll just have to trust each other in the meantime. Yeah, that looks about done. Here, This should help you feel a lot better. Yes, I know, I'm sorry. It does taste horrible. But, I did add a little honey just to try and sweet it up a bit, but I guess it's still pretty bitter. I promise it will heat you right up there. That's it. Good. Now that you've drank the elixir, I'll outline and enchant some of your energy lines in order to help it work faster. Don't worry. I'll just be tracing along your skin with my hands. It should actually feel quite nice. Just sit back and relax. Feel the warmth of the fire emanating across the room. Let it flow into you. Close your eyes and allow the potion to dissolve away all the pain, all of the discomfort, all of the stress that you've been carrying. Breathe in calm and serenity. Breathe out all of your worries. Breathe in calm and serenity. Breathe out all of your worries. Breathe in the healing energy. Exhale the negative energy. Allow it to be dispersed into the universe. And allow the healing energy to disperse within you. That's it. You're doing so well. You're starting to feel a lot better, aren't you? The potion has cleansed you from within. No more